Why do 90% of nature lovers dream of visiting Angel Falls? Get ready to find out. Nestled deep within Venezuela's Canaima National Park, Angel Falls stands as the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall. Picture this: water tumbling down from a staggering height of 3,212 feet. It's like nature's own skyscraper. The sight alone is enough to leave you breathless. But it's not just the height that's captivating. The mist creates vibrant rainbows, dancing in the sunlight. The surrounding tropical rainforest adds an emerald embrace, teeming with exotic wildlife. Imagine standing at the base, feeling the power of the cascading waters, the thunderous roar, the cool spray on your face, and the sense of awe knowing you're witnessing one of Earth's most majestic wonders. Whether you're an adventurer craving the thrill or a serene soul seeking tranquility, Angel Falls offers a slice of paradise. So, nature lovers, add this to your bucket list. Discover the magic. Discover Angel Falls. Because some places aren't just seen, they're felt. See you there.